Hi friends, welcome to my channel Fitness Solution by Shibon. Today I give you another exercise. This is very important for our cardiac and hamstring, gluteus maximus and quadricep muscle. So follow me and see my video. Now I give you another. This is the star jump exercise. First time you take a half squat position and your both knees 5-degree angles and hands front side, and now you start your star jump exercise, and this one you do 10 times, and after 10 times you take 15 seconds rest, then after doing 10 times and again take 15-second rest, and then again do 10 times. So I first step 10 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now take rest 15 seconds, then again start. Use. Now again start your second quarter and take position again, and now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again take 15-second rest. Last step. Now again take position and count 10s. Start jump again. Now start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So follow me and please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you very much. Do this exercise and develop your cardiac and hamstring, gluteus maximus and quadricep muscle. Thank you.